Hello there, welcome back to my channel, and if you're stopping by for the first time, welcome as well. Please consider subscribing, and today I'll be showing you how to make delicious fluffy banana pancakes, and this tasted absolutely delicious and I can't wait for you guys to try. Ingredients that I'll be using: 1 tablespoon of melted butter, you can use oil as well, half a cup of milk, all-purpose flour 1.5 cup. I have 2 bananas, 2 eggs, a quarter cup of sugar. I have 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and I'll be using 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and I'll list all these ingredients on the description box. Next, you can use a food processor, a blender, or even if you don't have any, you can just mash the bananas with your fork really well until they're very soft, and just continue with the next steps. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add the bananas, sugar, eggs, milk, vanilla extract, blend them together to make a mixture. The only thing that I'm remaining with is the all-purpose flour and the baking powder, which we'll be mixing later. Once that is done, we're going to prepare our flour, which I'm going to add the baking powder to the all-purpose flour and mix it well. Next, go ahead to add in the mixture. Mix it very well until your batter has a good consistency with no lumps. Once that is done, it's time to make our pancakes. So into your pan, medium-low heat, brush in some oil or some butter. So I'm using butter. Go ahead to add in your pancake batter. Once you see your pancake is bubbly at the top, it's time to flip it over. Cook the other side till it's brown. There you can see the pancakes, it's well done and it's ready to serve. There you have your pancakes. They were absolutely delicious. You can go ahead to serve them with some maple syrup or honey, and they were so good. They were done in minutes. Now I want to show you guys how fluffy they were. You can see how beautiful it looks. It was so fluffy, so delicious. I really hope you do try this recipe. Share it with your friends and family. Till next time, bye bye.